Welcome, bienvenue, upjalasi to Mount Allison's Fall Open House. My name is Ian Sutherland and I am Mount Allison's President and Vice Chancellor. I hope to be your President and Vice Chancellor. Visiting campus is one of the most important steps to choosing a university. So we are absolutely thrilled you have chosen to be here with us today on our beautiful campus, one of the most beautiful campuses in Canada. Now, you may have learned just recently that Mount Allison was once again named the top undergraduate university in Canada by the Maclean's University rankings. That's the record 25th time we've been number one. This is just one of the many reasons why you should choose Mount Allison for the next steps in your future. I hope you enjoy your day here at Mount A and learn all about the connections that Mount Allison has to offer, connections that will help build your future career path and indeed your successful future. Have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you in the fall.
Mount A's Fall Open House offers you the opportunity to see everything that Mount A has to offer all at once, including the chance to connect with our students, faculty, and staff. Mount A offers a truly transformational student experience, including flexible academic programs and experiential learning opportunities that can lead you down a career path of your dreams. And hey, you might just end up having the best few years of your life while you're at it.
I hope you're able to gather the information that you might need to make a decision today here at our open house. I hope you have a really great academic year, and if Mount A is the right fit for you, we really hope to see you again next fall.